We're in this magnificent Manhattan townhouse with designer Bradley Stevens and artist John Procario, and we're talking about his most recent residential installation. Bradley, you designed this unbelievable space. Why did you choose John Procario to do the focal lighting element?
The client wanted something spectacular. It had to be something that was timeless, that was beautifully crafted, and is an entire centerpiece of a room that won't have any artwork. We knew it had to be a sculpture, and that's where you guys came in.
My first time here, I thought of this area specifically as a place where people would converge. So I wanted the piece to have that sort of language. We have two elements coming together in the center. It's almost like direct people into the center of the room. So you would have potentially people downstairs, potentially people upstairs, coming together here to have a meal or gather.
We knew that there would be something that you hadn't seen before, and it really was the central driving design piece for this entire room.
You chose to literally almost fill the space. It's a very bold move. Why did you guys decide to do that?
That actually was something that came with the origination of the space. We came here when this space was being framed and stood at the different vantage points. So it literally was tailor-made to this room.
The way I try to do things is as simply and elegantly as possible. First thing you see, there are these big, tall windows. Everything's very straight, up and down. And then all the lines get nicely interfered with this curve, and then that's where your eye naturally goes.
One of the greatest successes of this piece is the simplicity of its materials and the elegance of the way that light is integrated in that material. It is a big gesture, but it is incredibly elegant.